In this video we are going to discuss collection, which is very important topic in Java. Collection is used to represent group of objects. Okay, so already we have array. Then what is the need of collection? The answer is array. In array we can able to store the homogeneous data only. Means if you want to store the int and strings, these two different types of data element, then we are unable to store it into array because it stores homogeneous data only. And in collection we can able to store the heterogeneous data. Okay, this is one first thing. Then another one is the array is fixed in size. Okay, so in collection there is no fixed in size. We can add any number of elements dynamically. So because of those reasons we have introduced collection in Java. Okay, so collection is basically used to represent group of objects. Okay, so collection is basically an interface, and there is some interfaces and classes are there to implement the collection interface. We have some interfaces like list, set, queue, and some to implement these interfaces we have some classes. Okay, so all the interfaces have its own work, and they are different from each other by functionally. They have its pros and cons. We will see it in upcoming video. So we have list interface, which is direct extending the collection interface. Okay, so list interface has a ArrayList class which is implementing the list interface. The ArrayList is like a array in Java. Okay, so actually ArrayList can able to store homogeneous data. It's not fixed in size. Okay, so ArrayList is index based. It can store duplicate values. It will not follow the insertion order. Okay, and we can store any number of null values in ArrayList. Okay, and ArrayList is not able to maintain the insertion order. This is the one flaws of ArrayList. So we can overcome these flaws by using linked list. Okay, so linked list is most probably same as ArrayList, just the linked list can maintain the insertion order. Okay, the basic difference is that if we are trying to insert values into ArrayList, then it's critical to insert and update values into ArrayList, because the elements shifting is needed while inserting and deleting the elements into ArrayList. So in this case we have to use linked list. In linked list the insertion and deletion of the object is easy. Okay, so if we want to traverse ArrayList is easier to traverse and perform operations, while linked list is preferred when the insertion and deletion of the element is the main intention. Okay, so we have also stack and vector. These are the these are also the implementation classes of list interface. Okay, we have actually stack and vector are the legacy classes. Legacy classes means what? Before existence of the collection. Okay, we have some classes uh, those classes known as the legacy classes. Okay, so stack vectors are the legacy classes. Okay, so we have another one, set, which is direct interface of the collection interface. Okay, so set has some implementation classes like hash set, linked hash set, sorted set, navigable set, and tree set. Okay, so actually hash set and linked hash set are the classes, and sorted set and navigable set are the interfaces, and tree set is the implementation class of sorted set. Okay, sorted set interface. Okay, so actually set is not allowing the duplicate values. Okay, and only one null value is allowed into set, and it also maintain the it doesn't maintain the insertion order. Okay, hash set, and array list is index based, where hash set is not index based. Okay, so these are the some differences, and like array list and linked list. Okay, hash set and linked hash set both are similar to each other, only few differences are there. Okay, so hash set is not maintaining the insertion order, so to overcome this problem, link hash set is introduced, and link hash set is used to maintain the insertion order. Okay, so we have sorted set interface, which is direct interface of set interface. Okay, so sorted interface, it has the tree set, which is the implementation class of sorted set interface. Okay, so when we want to sort the element by default, then we have to go to the tree set class. Okay, so this is the main purpose of tree set class. Okay, so these are the some few things about set interface. Okay, so we have another one interface, which is queue interface, which has some implementation classes like priority queue, blocking queue, priority blocking queue, and linked blocking queue. These are the queue based operations, and we can perform it into the further videos one by one. Okay, so first of all, we are going to discuss the array list and its functionality in depth. Okay, so we have one main method. In it we have created the object of ArrayList, which is ll. Okay, by using ll has few methods like add, remove, then clear, add all, contains, get, index of, size, is empty, sublist, set, sort, to array, to string, replace or. There is few methods, we can see among some of them. Okay, so we can add the elements by using the object. So we have created one object, which is ll dot add, and we can see that we can add string values, int value, means it's heterogeneous data. Okay, so we can see that by using this object we can print the values, which is the list of arrays. Okay, so this is the difference between array and array list. In array we can able to store only homogeneous data, but in array list we can store string, int values, then float values, like that. Okay, so we have is empty. Okay, so it returns true or false, means okay, so is empty, it checks whether the object is empty or not. So we have some elements inside it, that's why it returns false. Okay, so we are getting false, means contains method checks the particular element is present inside the object or not. Okay, it gives us true because we are checking 23 contains means object contains 23 or not. Okay, so few methods are there. Okay, by if we are means by using this system.out.println, we are trying to print the object of the array element of the array list, means this statement can print all the elements present inside the object. So if you want to print the object one by one, then we have to use iterators. So we have three types of iterator. Okay, one is the enumeration, then we have iterator and list iterator. Okay, so if you want to print the object one by one, then we should prefer the iterators or the cursors. Okay, so we can see the iterators in depth in next video. Thank you.